What's up, everybody? So today is Tesla's end of quarter, and I'm driving over to the Tesla store to fly my drone and see how crazy busy it is. I hear that they are delivering anywhere from 30 to 50 cars a day over there, as well as having shipments of new cars coming in constantly. So should be pretty fun to fly the drone and see what's going on there. For some reason, Tesla as a company seems to really like drones and drone pilots. In fact, the CEO, Elon Musk, has expressly given permission to people that fly drones to fly them over their factories while they're under construction, as long as they take reasonable safety precautions and don't get too close to the people that are working there. So I'm going to take that same vibe out here to the Tesla store in Brentwood, Tennessee, and see what we can see. As far as things going on with me and Sam in our life lately, things are really good right now, and we are very grateful to not be sick, and we are very healthy now. Life is good. We are planning our trip and are planning to depart sometime in September or as late as October. Just want to get a couple things with our businesses to the point where they don't need a whole lot of babysitting while we are gone. So things are good here. Thanks for watching. Let's get a drone in the sky and see how things go. All right, before we head over to the Tesla store, I've got a special treat for you. I decided to check out the parking lot where they kind of mass deliver cars before processing them through to the store. It's here at a Target, and I spotted some Plaid Model S's. So let's go look at them. It's the first time I've ever seen one. There's one right there. This is the fourth one. There's four of them. There's three, these gray, silver ones, and a black